In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve complex math problems using Brook AI. So assume I have this function, this one, and I want to find what is the value of f of this minus this. What is going to be? This is a bit complex. So I downloaded this problem in my downloads, and I'm going to import it as an image and ask the group to help me solve this problem. So let's say I'm on my group platform over here, and I come to a new chat. And I'm just going to import that image of the mathematical problem, upload a file, and let's say we have this math problem, this one, and I can just go ahead and say open and say, can you solve this? All right. So let's see whether it is going to solve and show us the step-by-step approach to the solution. Okay, so let's import, upload the file. This is it, math problem, and just import it. And let's say, can you solve this? All right, so let's hit on enter to this and let's see whether this is going to help us to solve this problem. Yeah, you can see it has written the math problem and then it is giving you step by step. And then, so the value of f of this is 4. That is correct. Okay, this is the answer it has just given us. Now I have another one that is a bit simpler. This one, particular one, that is a bit simpler. X plus 3 squared equals to 4. What is x? So we can bring in this as well. So let's say we save this, save image as, and then we can call it math 2. And then we can save this. All right. So let's say we are on Grok. And then I just quickly drag math 2 here and drop it. I say, what is x? All right. So what is x? And we can just hit an enter to this. And let's see whether this is going to truly perform the magic and give us the value for x. Take a look at this step by step and it's quickly say the answer x is equal to minus 5. X has two answers, minus 1 and minus 5. But does it get it correctly? Yes. Yeah, take the square root of both sides and take a look at what it has given us. So this is wonderful. So this is just to tell you how fantastic this Grok AI can be when it comes to solving complex mathematical problems. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.